loved ones. Let this be the start of a more fulfilling commitment and service to others. To inspire us even more, let us hear a message of gratitude from no other else than the top one or the first place in the February 2026 Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination from St. Paul University, Philippines. Let's give a big hand to Miss Aliana Marie R. Villegas, RN.
Honorable LCAT, Member of PRC Board of Nursing, Director Juan Alilam Jr., Officer in Charge, Regional Director, PRC Region 2, Tommy J. Failman III, Governor of Philippine Nurses Association Region 2, Mary Beth Galapa, President of Association of Deans of Philippine Colleges of Nursing Region 2 Chapter, Dr. Anunciacion Talosig, Vice President of Philippine Nurses Association Cagayan South, Mrs. Janeline Tagyam, Dean of SPUP College of Nursing, PRC officials, PNA officers, deans, our beloved families and friends, and to my fellow newly registered nurses, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Standing here before you today is truly an answered prayer. Naalala ko po, binulong ko kay Mama nung graduation namin. Ma, alam mo, pangarap ko rin magsalita sa stage at mag-speech. At ang sabi niya sa akin, hayaan mo, baka mag-speech ka sa oath-taking niyo. That time, I only laughed at that thought because giving a speech means you have to be a top-notcher. I didn't know if that was possible because I was never a top one. Not in elementary, not in high school, and not even in college. But here I am, dreams really do come true.
Sa pinakadulo talaga nag-cut, no?
To be honest, lumabas ako ng testing center with a lot of unsure answers. Gaya yung minemorize ko din ang 10 halamang gamot approved by the DOH, pero hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano ang noni juice. But it's okay. What matters is that we survived and we conquered. Congratulations, my fellow newly registered nurses. Finally, we made it. Before I was even born, my parents were already nurses. When I was in high school, my brother became a nurse. When I was in college, my sister became a nurse. Back then, I couldn't help but think, what is so special about this profession? Why did everyone in my family choose this path? As I went through the journey of nursing school, I finally found the answer. Nursing is not just a career. It is the art of bringing human warmth into places where science can only go so far. It is learning that while medicine may treat a disease, it is compassion that truly heals a person. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare. We are problem solvers, educators, and caregivers who make a difference every single day. Looking at my family now, I finally get why they chose this path. And today, I can stand beside them and say, I am proud to be a nurse.